She did when I gave it to him.
For Valentine's Day, my husband got me a gift. He got me the chalk version of the Tabby shoulder bag, 20 with quilting. When Coach dropped this bag, I just had to have it. And this bag was cheaper than the black one that I already have. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. Um, Total, the bag was $380. And in my opinion, the chalk one and the black one are both beautiful bags, and I absolutely love them. Let me know in the comments which bag you think is cuter, the chalk one or the black one.